what's up guys? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, maglalaro tayo ng jigsaw. Ayan. So this is Flags of the World. Ayan. So ngayon is New Year. Maghihintay kami ng until 12. Kaya gusto namin ng mga gantong laro kasi syempre nasa kwarto lang kami kaya kailangan namin ng konting pang-aliw bago dumating yung 12 midnight. So, ito guys, ito yung challenge natin. Tingnan natin kung kakayanin ko nga ba ang gantong laro. So, are you ready? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, where is my... I have to get my tripod first. Go to bed na, guys. I need to sleep. Okay, pagod na si lola nyo. So, good night, guys. Thank you, guys, for joining. And see you next vlog. Happy New Year. Bye!